Today I'm out here at the farm. We planted some willow trees for some shade out here. As you can see out here, there are no trees out here. We need some trees because in the summer sun it gets really hot. So we planted some trees. We've done some for 2 years now, and we're going to start fertilizing them. So I'm going to show you what we're going to put on them. We're going to put it on every 3 weeks, and they say that doing that every 3 weeks throughout the year should give us a lot of growth on our trees this year. So I'll show you what we're going to do, and we'll start fertilizing some trees. Thanks. Okay, this is what we bought, called Fertilizer Tree and Shrub 19810. We're going to put that around all of the willow trees at the farm. You can see we've got them cased. So we've got cows out here, making sure the cows are not eating our willow trees. So we've got a cage around all of them, and we'll start fertilizing them. See if we can get some good growth. Okay, so we are adding a little more than a handful per tree. And what I'm doing here, just kind of getting around the base of that. What we're trying to do is get all around that drip edge is where you're supposed to fertilize. As you can see here, this is a first year tree. Not very big, but I did cut it from a growth and soaked it and planted it. And so I'm gonna put a little bit of fertilizer around all these trees and kind of let the rain soak them up. These next 3 trees are 2 years old this year. As you can see, they're quite a bit bigger. And same thing on each of those. I just cut them, soaked them, planted them, and kept some good water on them throughout the year, and it has given us some good growth. But this year we're wanting to get our growth quite a bit bigger. As you can see, that tree is about 6 feet tall. We're going to measure them and see how much growth we get this year using fertilizer. Okay, so what we're going to do here is just kind of document what our fertilizer is going to do for us this year. This tree, as you can tell, at the very tip is a little over 7 feet. These willow trees grow big and tall, and as you can see right next to them, we've got some water. So they've got everything they should need. Between the fertilizer we gave them, plenty of water, and this is March 30th. This tree is about 6 feet tall. This one's not as big. Also fertilized it. It is a 2-year growth tree. This other tree across here, and the others by the pond, this was planted midsummer last year. I don't know if you can tell that right there. That is from summer until now, so not even a full year. We've got about 3 feet of growth on that tree. As you can see, you've got buds starting out already. And then we've got 3 other trees right there, there, and there, right by the pond. We do have one on the other side as well. So we should have some good growth. And we'll track them. Okay, this tree, you can see where water is coming in from the spring. This tree has about 5 feet of growth, and this is a 2-year-old tree. So this one has not done as well as the other 3 across from the pond, but it is doing okay nonetheless. And it has a good water source this year, and we should see some good progress from it. Well, we had to abandon our efforts, but we still were able to go fishing, and my son is out there and caught 3 turtles in 1 net.
We have 10 turtles.
10 turtles and 2 bullfrogs and bass and bluegill and carp. What an amazing night.
Perfection!
Let's see, what do you got?
I got another big old bullfrog. Look how big that guy is. Oh my gosh, he's giant.
Frog legs for dinner.
Oh wow. Here, I'll hold this and Dad can help you. Wowzer.
Help me, Dad. That is a
Big old froggy. That's what you were fishing for.
Yep. Let's go, like, they have...
In your mouth, buddy. In your mouth.
And then
Why is he listening to you? That's weird.
Oh, he's pooping.
They do. Frog legs for dinner, anybody?
No. We have...